All of the ideas that you are going to see here are amazing and will solve all of your problems that were bothering you all your life. This is a very clever solution that have both functional and decorative role. Check out these 22 clever storage ideas. You may find a perfect solution for your room and finally put your cosmetics in order. 1. 360 Rotating Makeup Organizer. Made of acrylic, high quality and convenient for cleaning, holds at least 30 makeup brushes, 20 skincare products, and other accessories including lipstick, nail polish, eyeliner, and more cosmetics. 2. Sooyee Makeup Organizer. Transparent top cover with white body, equipped cute handles fit for vanity, bathroom, counter, or dresser. The makeup case will stand out wherever you place it for its neat and innovative look, bringing elegant glamour to every lady. 3. Professional Makeup Bag Organizer. 10 adjustable dividers that you can move and change size to hold bigger items. Made from gold metal zipper, PU leather, and EVA dividers, more durable and scratch resistant. Waterproof, shake-proof, anti-wear, and spill-proof interiors. 4. Glenor Makeup Organizer. Get rid of all your little makeup bags and cases that are cluttering your drawers and are all over the place. Instead, keep all of your makeup in this large, beautiful box. You will see your entire makeup collection at a glance, so doing your makeup will take half the time. 5. Jerrybox 360-degree Rotation Makeup Organizer. Multi-dimensionally organizes and stores your cosmetics. Enables easy access to all of your makeup products by spinning it. Fix it with rubber rings to make sure it is well secured. Accommodates at least 30 makeup brushes, 20 skincare products, and other accessories. 6. Modern Jewelry and Cosmetic Storage. High-grade, eco-friendly material plastic and higher durability, no harmful for your healthy. This is an absolutely new design, and we call it Swan Egg in perfect shape. Looks more cute, lovely, beautiful, and more practical. 7. Mokaro 360-degree Rotating Makeup Organizer. You can put all of your cosmetics you need in the 360 Makeup Organizer. Accommodates at least 30 bottles of skincare products, 15 makeup brushes, and other makeup accessories, including lipsticks, nail polish, eyebrow pencil, large eyeshadow disc, eyeliner, and more. 8. Rose Gold Glass Cosmetics Makeup Storage Organizer. Make being organized easy with this super stylish organizer. The mirrored finish and sleek design offer the perfect place to hide away clutter and make a great accessory for any dressing table or vanity station. 9. WONLINE Makeup Organizer. Transparent top cover with white body, equipped cute handles, fits your room decor well. Beauty makeup is displayed through transparent cover. Suitable for cosmetics, jewelry, groceries, stationery, cell phone, business cards, etc. 10. Set of 6 Stackable Storage Organizer. A multifunctional organizer for your bathroom, living room, kitchen, or garage. This stackable 6 set can be designed the way you want it. No more clutter. Store cosmetics, crafts, office cutlery, or any products in the O-Life Smart Blocks. They can fit in drawers, cabinets, lockers, and wardrobe closets. 11. Sorbus Rotating Makeup Organizer. Beautifully display lipsticks, foundations, bronzers, blushes, eyeshadows, primers, powders, makeup brushes, and manicure tools. Toiletries like deodorant, facial scrubs, lotions, cleansing towels, hair products. 12. Mantello Makeup Organizer. Keeps makeup, cosmetic, personal care items, and more within easy reach. 9 compartments, including 2 drawers, separate and organize your brushes, bottles, cosmetics, and more. Also makes a great organizer for office supplies, art supplies, and anything in between. 13. Desk Storage Organizer with Vanity Mirror. Make being organized easy with this multifunctional desktop organizer. It's the perfect place to hide away clutter and makes a great accessory for any dressing table or bedroom. A set consists of 8 parts, which can be assembled freely according to your need or use separately. 14. Clear Cosmetic Storage Organizer. Keep all your cosmetics, jewelry, or hair accessories neat, organized, and easy to find. Manufactured from durable clear acrylic, the organizer looks elegant sitting on your vanity, bathroom counter, dresser, or anywhere you need it. 15. Desk Drawer Organizer Tray. Each tray has 4 dividers, which can be taken out and moved around freely. Just adjust the drawer according to your need. This drawer storage organizer are made of sturdy plastic materials, which is eco-friendly and durable. 16. Sorbus Rotating Makeup Organizer. Tray has 17 divided slot compartments in various sizes. Ideal storage for bedroom, bathroom, closet, kitchen, vanity tabletop, countertop, or desk organization. 17. Acrylic Cosmetics Makeup. Stylish and modern storage case holds various beauty items in one place and fits on most dressers. Includes removable black mesh padding that keeps makeup items protected and in place. Organize all your makeup and cosmetics into a dazzling personalized beauty counter.